Oh, there we go. Tighten up. It's not that big. Well, it's a smallmouth. Stop going in the weeds. Come on over here. Oh, wow. Well, hello, Smalley. All right. All right. That's a good smallmouth. Heck yeah. I thought I was a rock bass and I had my drag set too loose. Ah, that's a nice smallmouth. Look at that. Right on this inline spinner. Look at this guy. Caught a nice smallmouth on an inline spinner. Let's go. I didn't think it was that good of a fish. I thought I had a little rock bass and my drag was set too loose, but nice. Look at that. Let's go. All right, let's let him go. Let's let you go. You're going in the shallow water, buddy. Okay. Yeah, you're in shallow water. There he goes. See ya. That was awesome. There we go. Ah, that's what was hitting at it. Ah, rock bass. Let's go. That's what I thought I was gonna catch. Look at you. All right. Nice. Oh, wow. It looks like you got bit by something. Look at you. Oh, man. But you survived. Is there a pike around here? The only problem with inline spinners that have the tail right here is you get nipped at and you don't get hooked up, but usually they're the smaller ones. Oh yeah. I saw that one come shooting out. All right. Little largy, all right. You crushed it. I saw you come flying out to get it. That was pretty awesome. All right, hungry largy, let's go. The littlest one of the day. Well, I've caught the trifecta of bass. I caught the rock bass, largemouth, and smallmouth already. Let's go. You don't have to get the fancy ones. I know I really do like Panther Martins, but yeah, just get an inline spinner and creek fish. Holy cow, they are awesome. I like it. I subscribe to you. Oh, yeah, this is the last step. I might cast into there, but I have to horse it out if I get one. Oh, yeah. Let's horse it out. This is a good one. It's a bass. Largy. Well, I'm glad I went for it. All right, let's go. Smalley, I thought that was a largy. Nice, smallmouth, let's go. Yeah, it's just in that pocket right there. All right, dude, this is working. Let's go. Is this a Rooster Tail? I've been told by a lot of people to use a Rooster Tail, or it might just be like some generic inline spinner. But let's get it. All right. Well, I managed to get this smallmouth out of that pocket up there. You see that? Where I'm standing is about the end of where I can walk. It's going to get murky, but I cast into there. We got a smallmouth. Let's go, baby. Oh, you can okay. Hey! Finally get to cross this bridge or railroad tracks. Check this out. This is nuts. I mean, how cool does this look? Holy cow. I don't know if this feels like The Walking Dead or like something out of Accidental Renaissance, but holy cow, this is amazing looking. You see him? I was just about to step that way. Hey, buddy. What's up? Let's see what happens when I get close. This is so cool. I'm sorry, this is just so cool. This is just amazing. This is so cool. I love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just gave it a pause. I saw that one coming. Gave it a pause. And then that was the ticket. Yeah, I saw him coming. And that was the biggest one of the group too. Heck yeah, let's go. Hey, there we go. Where'd you come from? Hey, Largy. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. Look at you. Here's what I'm using, you guys. I got a Daiwa 2000. It's old. Air rotor. I don't even know if that's the name of it. And I've got 6-pound mono. And I'm using this cheap Shimano rod. It's a 6'6" medium action or medium fast action. It's pretty good. This is a pretty cheap setup if you guys want to get into using some spinning tackle. This is a really good starter one. I believe this rod was only 30 bucks. Reel was like 40 bucks. There we go. He missed it the first time. Got him the second time though. Haha, yeah. Let's go, Rocky. You missed it the first time, got it the second time. I saw that. All right, look at that. Love it. Think there's another one in this hole? There is. Yep. There it is. Yeah, let's go, buddy. Let's go. Oh, you got it in the bottom of it. Gotcha. Just do it. I don't think there's a name to this. This is a generic spinner. I don't even know how I got it, but it's crushing. Let's go. All right, big Rocky. Whoa. Dude, that's a big one. It's a big rock bass. Whoa. Gotta love it. Dude, that's a big rock bass. Yeah, look at you. That's awesome. Look at that. Love the red eye. Red eye devils. Yeah. Oh, look at, oh, I had a perch. Darn it, I had a perch. Oh, had one. Yeah, I got him back. All right, good. I knew there was one coming, and then yeah, let's go. Let's go. Jeez Louise. All right. Yeah, let's go. Dude, this is awesome. All right. Look at this guy. Another smallmouth. We're crushing it. Let's go. There we go. Oh, this is a good one. Dude, this is a good one. Good creek one. There's another one behind it. Holy cow. Let's go. Holy cow. You kidding me? This is awesome. Holy cow. All right. It's probably like 14 inches. This is amazing. This is going to be like a, what do you think, 13, 14 incher on this little creek? Holy cow. Let's let you go, big guy. Holy cow. Yes. Try out an inline spinner in a creek and you might surprise yourself. This is the end of the road for me. I'm at my exit bridge. I don't know how the heck I'm going to get up on top of that bridge, but you know, I don't know, I'll try. Thanks for watching. Push good buttons. That was awesome, man. I like it. Wow, I made it up onto this railroad bridge, or old railroad bridge. This is crazy up here. This is cool. Look at it down there. That's awesome.